Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Callaway Golf Men's Strata Set. Callaway is a well-known brand that produces the top golf clubs made of the best materials. The purpose of making the top golf equipment is to provide the player a smooth and efficient experience. It also aids in improving your game performance. If you're an amateur and are searching for the most suitable beginner's golf equipment, this product will ensure that your game grows each day. The modern technology used in this product will provide all the elements of the game. This set of golf clubs comprises wood, driver's hybrid, iron, putter, and sand wedge. The set also includes stand bags made from high-quality materials. All clubs come with head covers to protect. Full titanium golf driver offers you a wide sweet spot, and more forgiveness when you hit it off the golf course. A highly forgiving 3-wood that is designed to take long, high-speed shots with a more aerodynamic head design. The hybrids 4 and 5 are excellent alternatives to longer irons, giving you greater confidence in a range of shots. Irons feature high flight technology that gives you forgiveness, distance, and control made of stainless steel. Number 2 in this best golf clubs for beginners to intermediate list is Wilson Men's Complete Golf Club. If you're in search of the top golf clubs for intermediate to advanced players, this is an excellent choice. Also, you should be aware that this is the best-selling golf set sold on numerous websites. This set of golf clubs is designed to provide superior performance and effectiveness. It is also renowned for its outstanding performance, and it's the top golf club for intermediate players. It is built with light-weighted materials and modern technology. It also comes in various colors and sizes. If you're left-handed and want to wear a left-handed sleeve, you can also purchase the appropriate product. The product comes with a convenient bag with adjustable straps for the shoulder. It will have pockets with separate compartments. This set of bags is ideal for beginners who wanted improving their golf game by using high-quality, distance-rewarding the package set. The game improvement model is focused on creating more distance for beginners. The sweet spot irons are large and have perimeter weighting to improve efficiency on off-center hits. Our third pick is Strata Golf Package Sets. This is a very popular product, specifically made to help women golfers improve their game. The brand name for this item is Callaway, and it also comes with a warranty of 2 years. The product is designed to improve the efficiency and performance of the player. If you're searching for the top female golf club, this is the ideal option available. This set of golf clubs comes with 16 clubs that are suitable for intermediate players. We know the set is designed for women, therefore it's light in weight. This set comes with a stand bag and the head covers to ensure the safety from the golf clubs. It is the Strata Tour Women's Package Set is designed for women who desire the best performance from every club to improve their shots from tee to green. The lightweight forged driver of 460cc, fairway wooden, hybrids irons and putter are the set, which offers an excellent combination of forgiveness, distance and control. Fourth pick in our best golf clubs for beginners to intermediate list is Callaway Mavrik Max Iron. This is Callaway's Mavrik Max, the ideal answer to your question. The Mavrik series by Callaway is getting a lot of attention in the golf community due to their impressive performance. Mavrik irons are a great choice for golfers. Mavrik irons are constructed of graphite, and come with graphite and steel shaft options. The loft angle, however, is fixed. The irons can be purchased in a set or purchase the set. The Mavrik Max irons have the largest shape, more spacious soles, as well as more substantial CG to provide more forgiveness as well as a smoother launch. Its use of artificial intelligence in golf clubs has proven to be a great success for Callaway. Utilizing AI, Callaway has created cutting-edge technology that produces golf clubs that meet customers' demands. This iron's features made it stand out from the others. With Mavrik, we're utilizing artificial intelligence for the first time in an iron. The speed of the ball is further increased through our 360 face cup that flexes and releases upon impact. For details, let's watch more.
Here to tell you about the all-new Mavrik Irons family. Callaway has been the #1 iron brand in golf for over 5 years and counting because we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Now, for the first time, we've used AI to create irons, and the result will blow you away. Our Mavrik irons feature new flash face cup technology designed using artificial intelligence to create a unique face structure for every loft throughout the set. By using a specific design for each iron, we've added a significant boost in ball speed in the long irons, speed and spin control in the mid irons, and spin and launch control in the scoring clubs. The Mavrik iron features our tungsten energy core with a tungsten-infused weight that allows us to precisely position the center of gravity to optimize launch conditions for each iron. And don't worry, these irons have amazing feel thanks to our urethane microsphere technology. The combination of the new flash face cup, tungsten energy core, and urethane microspheres creates a total performance package for amazing feeling shots that launch on a strong, consistent flight and land softly on the green. Mavrik Max irons have a confidence-inspiring shape with wider soles and a lower CG position that makes them super easy to hit. Add in the Max Loft package, and you've got the perfect recipe for extremely forgiving, high-flying performance. Max irons are available in either the KBS Max Steel shafts or the Project X Catalyst graphite shafts, both wrapped with the Tour Velvet 360 soft grip. If you want the most advanced iron technology from the #1 iron brand in golf, then the Mavrik irons should be in your bag. Be a Mavrik and try the...
Last in this list is Precise X7 Complete Golf Club Set. One of the best features of this item are its titanium driver. Players can easily modify and focus with a broad sweet spot. Additionally, it is a driver assists in making shots fly further. For the most efficient shots, it is recommended that you need to make sure that your club sides are wide enough to provide a wider surface for ball contact. In addition to being a driver, club features a 5 PW irons constructed of stainless steel. Combining these two attributes permits the user to have the long-term responsibility of his abilities. Even beginners can manage his shots. The biggest benefit is the moderate-sized handle that provides the most comfort. This is why every move played will be on the top standard. An enjoyable first experience for golfers who are young is essential for their enjoyment of playing. Start your golfer's journey correctly by making sure they're playing with equipment that's designed to match their size, strength, and abilities. Specially designed for junior golfers, the Precise 7 Junior Club Set brings tested technology to a sets of golf clubs. They are light, comfortable, as well as easy to use. For details, let's watch more.
We're at Castlewood Golf Course to tell you about Precise's new Junior X7 golf clubs. In this set, you'll see a driver, a hybrid, 2 irons, and 1 putter. The reason why I really like these golf clubs is because they're light in weight and they help me with my golf game. So if you're ready to get on that golf course, I highly recommend Precise's new Junior X7 golf clubs.